Lepas dah apply tangan terus start lagi.
Baru nak lengkap.
Ada bahan dah.
Dia tu crowded atas.
As I was scrolling down my Instagram, ngayon iba kadang kanika workshop, so it made me think bangin wan cheni long ni yo king mau bangin spend family time kam ram menta ki polite long ki khna la mir bitang ha kum ta mo phones and TVs and everything there. By coming here pat long ni yo ate ban explore and spend time with my family also. Sometimes ni shi pararong imi dan porshu ipil ashtu tushtu, but then one hang ni pat long ni yo ban spend time, and then kum ta kin mo like free from screening, like kum ta. Yeah.
It is very creative, and kalau satu nampak filak ban kat perfuman, filak ban senang pickups, dia tiar ke vero ke, dia filak aru ban kat design kat perfuman ru, dia satu nak plus pi ban dia bagi pi ke kendur bun ki brio, ki orang padok bagi we dia. So Disha kini tu asyik pendelan jauh, dari event dia, para abang tu rekyang shwa. Dan saat begini kiri-kiri
Ini kan pisang.
kini jenis lagi. Kini new ibu. Dan kini kiri-kiri dah. Saya kini Christmas ornaments tu untuk PE bis ibu. Dan ngasih nadi kalau kum kiri banyak wak, banyak bu kalau kum kiri berpu untuk pangkai. Masa dia kiri-kiri dah.
Wanne pile agene bi concentrate bitang ne pikla no no Shillong ge bakal ji ji khan ji pun kam le bakal ji jalo ta ba te yor khia ta jaga ta daga jo ko ge jing bom tubet jong mo yor ke le
Okay, since it's Christmas actually, so we thought we wanted to do something around Christmas theme. Tada we came up with the idea of Pynlong pottery workshops around Christmas theme, and so nile around 6. Kide be do clay everything from the material with regards to. First of all, working with clay nila it's very therapeutic, it's very relaxing, and kibru kibalawan hakini workshops too they feel the same. So in terms of objective bangi set out, I would say like we have sort of like accomplished it. Number we wanted to give people a different experience, and pottery is something that's new. Clay studio, we are actually we're the first pottery studio that's open to the public in Shillong.